In this video, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit mo kailangan ng mga camera lens filters. Baka may matutunan ka sa video na to. Baka na naman. Whoop! Yeah! Before anything else, I just wanna say thank you to Juan Gadget for sending me these lens filters. At kung naghahanap ka ng reliable online store for gadgets, gear, and accessories for photography and videography, then I highly recommend Juan Gadget Superstore kasi hindi lang sila 100% legit, they also have excellent customer service. In fact, dun ko nabili itong softbox with honeycomb grid na gamit ko ngayon. So if you like that, go ahead and check out their online stores. They have their own website, they're on Shopee, and they're on Lazada. And use the code JG10 upon checkout to enjoy... Joke lang, wala akong discount code. And just a quick disclaimer, hindi po ako professional photographer or videographer. So, ang mga masasabihin ko sa video na to are purely based on my own research and my own experience in using these filters. So, kung may masabi man akong kulang or mali, paki-comment na lang sa baba para maturuan din natin through the comment section ng mga manunod ng videos na to. Okay, so on to the topic, unahin na natin itong UV filter or ultraviolet filter. The brand that Juan Gadget sent me is a KNF concept, which is one of the more popular lens filters kasi mura but still high quality. So what the UV filter does is it blocks the ultraviolet light from penetrating your lens and your sensor. It doesn't do anything to the image output pag nilagay mo yung filter sa lens mo. Let's say for example, shoot mo yung araw, yung tirik na araw. So dyan papasok si UV filter kasi we all know that the sun emits ultraviolet light. But according to the videos I've seen, most of the newer cameras, the modern ones, already have built-in materials to block the ultraviolet light. So ang tanong, may purpose pa ba ang UV filter? Quick answer, for that purpose, not anymore kasi redundant na siya. But let me tell you one thing, may silbi pa rin itong UV filter sa camera mo. Let's say for example, you're an event photographer, videographer, or just a casual camera guy na gusto mong dalhin yung camera mo anywhere you go. And hindi ka gumagamit ng kung ano-anong filters. It's just your camera and your lens, di ba? And let's say for example, nabangga mo yung camera mo or nahulog yung camera mo facing the lens. Imagine how chaotic that would be, breaking the glass of your ever precious and ever expensive camera lens worth 20,000 or even more at mababasag lang siya. Diyan papasok si UV filter guys kasi nga wala siyang ginagawa sa image output or sa image quality mo. So pwede mo siyang gawing lens protector kasi instead of breaking your ever precious, ever expensive camera lens, ang mababasag lang is yung UV filter, which is pretty much cheap or affordable. Yan ang natatanging purpose ngayon ni UV filter. So if you're interested in getting one, go ahead and check Juan Gadget Superstore and check out the KNF concept brand, and they have other brands of UV filters there, so go ahead and check it out. Alright, so moving on to the next lens filter, what I have here is the CPL filter or the circular polarizer, and again, it's from the brand KNF concept that Juan Gadget Superstore sent me. So what this filter does is it removes polarized lights or reflections from any non-metallic surfaces. And unlike the UV filter, this actually changes the output of your image. Let's test it. Ito yung UV filter. Lalagay ko yan dyan. Ayan, so walang nagbago, di ba? Here's a CPL filter. Ayan, dumilim siya, right? And it has a purpose kasi nga, it blocks polarized light or removes reflection from any non-metallic surface. So here's a shot of a water puddle, and obviously kitang-kita niyo yung reflection ng poste at ng langit. And let's say you don't want that because gusto mong kunin yung texture ng concrete road. Diyan papasok si CPL filter and see what happens if I attach the CPL filter. Ayan, so mas nakukuha niya na yung details ng concrete road. So those are the samples of what the CPL filter can do. So if you're a photographer or a videographer and you often find yourself in a situation where you have to shoot through the glass or get detailed shots of a car, then the CPL filter is for you. And this CPL filter, the KNF concept CPL filter, is available sa Juan Gadget Superstore, so go ahead and check it out. And if you're looking for other gift ideas for your photographer, videographer friends, then go ahead and check out Juan Gadget Superstore as they have tons of items for you to choose from para sa Christmas gift sa mga loved ones niyo. And on that note, that wraps up my quick overview of the UV and CPL filters from KNF Concepts. And again, thank you so much Juan Gadget Superstore for making this video possible. If you like this video, please press the like button, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, And again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.